Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In this video, I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo T1x. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the speaker, like your speaker is not working or any other problem related to it, you can easily fix it by the methods I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the speaker problem in your device. Let's watch the video and learn about it.